Hello everyone, this is Jinsi and welcome back to my channel Jinsi the Unfiltered Voice, where we cut through the noise and talk straight about films, series, trailers and everything in between. Today I'm diving into the trailer that's already blowing up headlines, sparking debates and giving a collective headaches to the historians. Yes, I'm talking about The Taj Story, starring Paresh Rawal as lead. The trailer introduces Paresh Rawal as Vishnu Das, who plays the role of guide for Taj Mahal. Now, ever since this film was announced, it was always in and around controversies. The very first poster which was released to announce this film back a year ago depicted an image of Taj Mahal with a reflection of Shivlinga. The second motion poster, which was released a week ago, showed Lord Shiva coming out of Taj Mahal's tomb. Ever since that motion poster was released out, this film has been getting several backlashes in social media platform. Paresh Rawal had to literally delete all his tweets from Twitter. So basically, the trailer shows how Paresh Rawal, who's playing the character of Vishnu Das, is out to tell the real truth behind Taj Mahal. It's a courtroom drama.
केस करना है।
किस पर? शाहजहां पे?
ताजमहल का गाइड ही ताजमहल पर केस कर रहा है, कोई तो ठोस वजह होगी उनके पास।
विष्णुदास कौन है?
मैं हूँ मिलॉर्ड। ताजमहल मेरे लिए किसी भी मंदिर से कम ना है।
इन्होंने तो ऑलरेडी ताजमहल को मंदिर घोषित कर दिया।
This trailer will remind you or give you the vibe of Oh My God movie. If you all remember, it gives the exact vibe. There are a lot of controversy which heats up when you watch the trailer. The opening scene of the trailer itself shows where Paresh Rawal is buying all puja items from a shopkeeper. वो दुकान वाले उनसे पूछते हैं कि
कौन थे मंदिर चल दिए चाचा?
ताजमहल।
and all the dialogues in the trailer, it's leading to controversy.
कहीं शाहजहां कंफ्यूज तो नहीं थे कि मैं मकबरा बनाऊं कि मंदिर बनाऊं?
शाहजहां मंदिर क्यों बनवाएंगे?
हाँ, उनका काम तो तुड़वाने का था।
They are just digging out the controversy which was closed long back, that Taj Mahal is built on temple and Taj Mahal is supposed to be called
तेजो महाल्या था।
So they're digging up all this controversy. It's going to bring out a lot of debate. So they're questioning the history which has been taught to us long back. They are kind of rewriting the history once again in the film, I believe. Right after the motion poster release and the trailer, the director and the writer of the film had to come out and give a statement that
आप ये मत समझिए कि कोई प्रोपोगंडा फिल्म या किसी पार्टी को पुश करने के लिए बनाई गई है या किसी व्यक्ति विशेष या किसी की रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट हर्ट करने के लिए बनाई है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
I think it is absolutely bullshit. तो ट्रेलर में तुम लोग यही डिपेक्ट कर रहे हो। Benefit of doubt given that it's just the trailer which has come out. Let's wait for the film to be released, which is going to be released on 31st of October. Hopefully they are not hurting the religious sentiment, because ट्रेलर में ऐसे बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स हैं जिसमें ऐसे रिलीजियस फाइट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। ऐसे डायलॉग्स है।
दुनिया में कोई ऐसा मकबरा कभी देखा है कि जिसके ऊपर गुंबद हो, गुंबद पर कलश हो? इसका ताजमहल का डीएनए टेस्ट करवाए।
All these stupid dialogues. एक मुझे लगता है कि इन लोग का PR स्टंट है, जहाँ पे उन लोगों को फुल ऑन मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी लगा है to give a hype to the film. If it is so, then I think it is a very bad idea, because this kind of PR stunt, this kind of marketing, it's not going to, definitely फिल्म को लैम्पलाइट पे लाया गया है, but at a risk. I don't know उन लोग ने इतना बड़ा रिस्क कैसे लिया, एंड ऐसे जहाँ पे उन लोगों को ट्वीट्स, पोस्टर्स सब कुछ डिलीट करना पड़ रहा है. सो आई थिंक इट वाज अ बैड आइडिया. बट हाँ, हाइप तो मिला, नोटिस तो हुआ. बट लेट्स सी बॉक्स ऑफिस में कितना अच्छा कलेक्शन करता है. वैसे भी बॉलीवुड कुछ खास अच्छा फिल्म्स तो बना नहीं रहे. सो मूवीज लाइक दिस which has good plot, like actors are really good, no doubt. Paresh Rawal is a very good actor. Story में दम है. Potentially it is a very good story, very good plot. But the concept it's very risky. I think it's very risky. If it is handled well, the film, अभी तक film release नहीं हुआ है, तो I don't, we can give a benefit of doubt. But trailer, it's creating a lot of conflict. Subjects like these has to be handled very smartly, especially in a country like India, where we are religiously very sentimental. So there is a set of religion which will get hurt after seeing the trailer. They should have thought about it. There's also a debate that this film is a political propaganda. मुझे नहीं पता कितना सच है. फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद ही हमको पता चलेगा. A very smartly स्टेट इलेक्शन आने से कुछ महीनों पहले ऐसे मूवीज रिलीज कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे हिंदुत्व के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है. ट्रेलर में डायलॉग्स लाइक सदियों से चली आ रही भारत की सभ्यता को लोगों ने बार बार खत्म करने की कोशिश की, पर वो कभी सफल नहीं हुए क्योंकि भारत के रग रग में सनातन है.
सदियों से चली आ रही भारत की सभ्यता को बार बार दुनिया भर के लोगों ने खत्म करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो कभी सफल नहीं रहे. क्यों? क्योंकि भारत की रग रग में सनातन है.
So dialogue like these, questions whether this is political agenda. It's going to create a lot of controversies. So I don't know how the film is going to be. So we all have to wait for the film to be released, which is on 31st of October. Let's wait for the film to be released and let's see what the director has come out and put a disclaimer is actually true. So once the film is released, only we'll come to know what's the film about. So my take is the Taj story is going to be part revisiting the history, part courtroom drama, and part it is going to be a provocating machine. It's gutsy, no doubt. It dares to question, which most of us wouldn't. It just gives a vibe of, oh my god, one man standing against thousands. But it also trends dangerously into sensationalism. That was all about the trailer. Let's wait for the movie to be released. If you guys like my video and my review, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, toodles.